Now, when the Maverick and others are critical of this Mike Ricketts JFF administration, people say with this and with that, and we bias and we don't like this and we don't like that. But again, just like how footballers on the field of play should not be reacting to chants from the stands, it's the same way the Maverick must remain steadfast and avoid the detractors in our quest to objectively keep Mike Ricketts and his administration honest. This latest thing now, with the reggae boys in Antigua booked into a hotel without basic bathroom amenities, where the beds are too small for the players and the rooms are mosquito infested, the coaching staff had to call off their first training session because the player them never get enough sleep. Yet another case of shameless ineptness on the part of this woeful JFF administration. We're not asking the JFF to lease or to buy a 5-star hotel. We just require of them to do what competent football administrators do. Send someone in advance to check out the accommodation and the practice facilities, etc. And make sure the national team comprising all full professional players are placed in a comfortable environment where the team can best represent the country. What harder than that? And I bet you that when Mr. Ricketts and him entourage travel all over the world for God knows what, bet them don't stay anywhere looking like this. We're done. We're gone.